Moment, our relationship exists in two mutually contradictory states. Until you either do not go or go to Will Wheaton's party, you are simultaneously my friend and not my friend. I'm characterizing this phenomenon as Schrödinger's friendship.
Got it. Can I have my water?
Okay, what is going on?
In case you have forgotten, Schrödinger's cat is a thought experiment.
I didn't forget. There's this cat in a box, and until you open it, it's either dead or alive or both. Although back in Nebraska, our cat got stuck in my brother's camp trunk, and we did not need to open it to know there was all kinds of dead cat in there.
Homespun stories, knowledge of physics, and a bosom that defies it. You're the whole package, aren't you?